Doggy now. Yeah? Come on, Chichi. You want water? Good morning, guys. This is our morning routine. So, ayan. I let her in the cage. So, para ano din siya, exercise. Right, Chichi? Come here. Chichi. Come on. She loves sunflower seeds, guys. Yes. She loves sunflowers? Yeah? You say, I love you. That's right. Sit here. Sit here. Yeah, my dog's always with me. Chichi. Come here, Chichi. Yeah? Chichi. Do you like it? Yum yum? No, don't hurt my dog. He's a good dog. Yeah? I love you. No, no barking. Are you happy here? Yeah? Are you happy? You wanna go in my arms? You wanna go up here? Come on, up, up, up. Wanna go up in my arms? Come here. Wanna go up? Wanna go up in my arms? Come here. Come on. Wanna go up in my arms? Yeah? Hello. 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 Come on. Chut, 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 chut. Yeah. She's a good bird. I know. Come on, you wanna go up in my arms? Come here. Yay! So slipper, guys. Oh my gosh, it's flying, Daddy. No. Doggy, no. Oh, I need to catch it. No, come here. Come here, Chichi. Chichi, come here. We're back, guys. We're back. Move. She wanna fly, guys. Don't poke me. Look, guys. Doggy out. Doggy. I have 3 electric fan, guys. Yeah? You wanna spread your wings? Yes? Nice? I know. Okay, you can go down? Go down? Good girl. Good girl. Yay! You do exercise, yeah? You're doing exercise? Good job.